In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to change or reset PIN password in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, we need to bring up our settings. So how we can do so, at the start, make a right click, and then you need to scroll up and click on the settings. By the way, you can also press Windows key and I key together, and in that way, you would be able to bring up the settings window. So all you need to do is you need to wait until everything would be set here before we proceed. Once ready, please directly navigate to the left pane where you can see a list of the option and locate with the option called Accounts. Click on this one. And once you are here with the account settings, you need to scroll down and proceed with Sign In options, which contains the Windows Hello or the PIN, the security key, the password, and the dynamic lock. Click on it. And eventually you will be able to see different ways to sign in, and including that is the PIN or the Windows Hello. So in order to change or reset the PIN, click on this down arrow key, and in that way you will be able to see there change your PIN. Aligning to it, you can see there N option. Click on this one. The moment you've clicked on it, it will ask you to type the current PIN that you have. So just have to type the PIN that you have set in the password, in the Windows 11 that you have, and then you need to type the new PIN that you would like to set with, okay? Now, you can also click on this icon, and that way you will be able to check if you have typed the correct PIN that you would like to set as your new PIN, okay? So here you need to confirm the PIN that you have set here, okay? So type that to confirm, or you can simply include letters and symbols by clicking on this box, and in that way you would be able to include numbers with letters and symbols. Okay, in that way you would be able to create a very strong pin to your Windows 11. Once you're set, click on OK, and in that way you will be able to change your pin or to reset the pin in your Windows 11. Okay, so that's it. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.